Hello there. It's never too late to become a millionaire with a small investment in the future. Sign up on the Binance exchange in the description and join the exciting world of crypto markets. Be a part of the thrilling future. For more information and discussions, you can find our Telegram group in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as we delve into the intriguing developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Recent events have sent shockwaves through the crypto market, and today we're going to unravel some of the mysteries that have surfaced. So, let's put on our detective hats and explore the curious case involving Robinhood and its impact on cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Welcome, fellow moneymakers, to this riveting discussion. First things first, let's address the question that's been on everyone's minds. Who's behind the recent crypto market crash that had us all scratching our heads? Contrary to initial assumptions, it appears that the notorious culprit responsible for the turmoil is not BlackRock, as some believed, but none other than Robinhood. Yes, you heard that right, the same platform that many of us are familiar with. It's time to put on our investigative lenses and dissect this situation. Before we proceed, I want to remind you to flash those beautiful smiles and hit that like button. Your support means the world to us. And now, let's dive into the intriguing world of cryptocurrencies. The crypto market, including heavyweights like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, experienced a recent crash that left many bewildered. The culprits behind this upheaval turned out to be none other than Robinhood. Yes, you read that correctly. The same Robinhood that we associate with stock trading and investing. The timing of this market disturbance aligns with a critical juncture in the crypto world. Shiba Inu's price has been in the spotlight, currently sitting at 0.500831, showing a 3.88% increase. However, it's important to note that the recent surge needed a breather, as seen on the 4-hour and 1-hour charts. Speculation is rife about potential movements in the coming days, especially with the looming presence of the federal chairman's speeches. Remember the impact of Jerome Powell's words on the market last year? Brace yourselves for more market fluctuations. Now, let's talk Shiba Inu specifics. A migration involving a whopping 4.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens has coincided with a robust price balance. This surge brought about a 10% pop from the recent low, a feat that's nothing to scoff at. The intriguing part? A massive wallet movement of $40 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens. Such significant transactions are rarely done on a whim, leaving us wondering about the intentions behind this movement. The mystery deepens as we examine the enigmatic whales in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Recent activity indicates that some major players are gearing up for something big. The question on everyone's lips, is this a setup for a dramatic surge, or are we in for a disappointing drop? As we eagerly await the outcome, it's crucial to keep an eye on these market dynamics. But wait, the plot thickens. Remember that wallet that sent shockwaves by accumulating $3 billion worth of Bitcoin in recent months? Well, it turns out this wasn't orchestrated by BlackRock, as the rumors suggested. No, my friends, it was Robinhood all along. Yes, the same Robinhood that took center stage for halting retail investors from buying certain assets during critical market moments. The million-dollar question, why did Robinhood accumulate such a staggering amount of Bitcoin? Was it a strategic move to secure their position in the crypto world, or does it hint at something more profound? With the Bitcoin halving event on the horizon, some speculate that this accumulation could be a strategic play to ride the anticipated market wave. However, considering Robinhood's history of controversial market interventions, we can't rule out other motives. It's worth noting that Robinhood's stock price hasn't been performing spectacularly lately. This raises the question, where did they get the funds for this massive Bitcoin accumulation? Could it be linked to their recent fundraising activities? Only time will tell as we eagerly await their next earnings report to shed light on this intriguing saga. In the grand scheme of things, this development could have far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency market, including the likes of Shiba Inu. Will Robinhood's involvement in the crypto space pave the way for Shiba Inu's resurgence, or will it cast a shadow over its prospects? The path ahead remains uncertain, and only time will reveal the true impact of these intricate maneuvers. As we wrap up our investigation into this cryptic situation, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section. What's your take on Robinhood's bold crypto moves, and how might this affect Shiba Inu's trajectory? Remember, my fellow moneymakers, we're navigating uncharted waters, and as always, let's keep a close watch on the market and strive to make informed decisions. And, as I always say, let's embark on this exciting journey with smiles on our faces and the determination to seize every opportunity that comes our way.